Asase isikhathi ngibikelela kuye as the coach kuye podcast show nje basadi ukuthi nje bona umdlalo lomkhulu bokhona namuhla bese sifuna ukubuka la ekhaya ekanye Stadium hamba kahle ecenjini lena Stepies baqale kahle esifambe secala badlalela pha nje i-draw ya 1-1 bambe ekhefini bamba imbili ngeligoli ngecanzeni kepha nje zihamba kahle ihombe sesibili ibuyile ke Lerumo Lions ba equalizer badlala i-draw ya 1-1 ukhumbuse ke umdlalo wabo osekhaya eke lo emkhathini welivika lesibili bawina nga 6-1 ehambeni kepha ekhaya bahlulwa ukushaya amagoli kusho wona ukuthi egcineni ebadlala i-draw asembe ke ukuthi batofunza balungisa amaphutha ekuya embili as the coach kanye Stadium Lerumo Lions 1-1 iqembu la ekhaya iNastepies Msipe Foundation Championship. Yasibonile imidlalo bokhona la ekhaya kanye Stadium iqembu leNastepies bahlulekile ukuthi amaphuzu aphelele badlala i-draw ya 1-1 ekhaya neqembu leLerumo Lions simceceshike la sebe simuva ukuthi uthini coach during the week you played and you lost 2-1 and then I've said to you have a chance to acclimatize and look the team but obviously your words were spot on today you played a draw.
Yeah, I know it's a very good big point. We'll take the point. But again, conceding in the second, third minute again, we made the game difficult for us because even for this one, we had a solid plan. But at least this time we were acclimatized to the area. We knew what they were going to bring. And we knew that even with them having traveled so much, it was going to take its toll. We know that from the 70th minute, that's where you can see us even scoring and having an upper hand. But I'm happy that at least today we took the chances. And I'll take the point.
And then, coach, what's wrong with Klubi? Because he plays well last game, you brought him and he changed the game. And also today, you also changed the game. Even when you are defending, you also assist. But you don't start with him.
Remember, there's nothing wrong with him. Besides it being tactical, there's that rule that says you must start with 2 under 23s.
Okay.
And he's not under 23.
Okay.
So the person that he came for was an under 23 to help us meet the quota.
Number 10.
Yes, So we needed to make the changes and put in another 23 to accommodate him. So it's more tactical, but it's also to comply with the under 23 rule.
What you've learned for the 2 games that you played here in Mpumalanga on Wednesday and also today, what you've learned playing against 2 teams from Mpumalanga?
Look, they are very aggressive. They play very direct. They challenge our defense. I could tell that some of our boys, because they are young, they crack under pressure. You saw the game, the goals we conceded on Wednesday, even today. I mean, they just gave them the goal, So we learned a lot. It showed us the weaknesses and where we need to for now, where we are, because we're not competing for the league, we are preparing for the next season. So it's already showing us where we need to strengthen our team.
Coach, once again, you did well. Thanks for your time.
Asibonga.
Yeah, ngiceceshike iqembu la ekhaya noma la esakhambeni Lerumo Lions badlale i-draw ya 1-1 namuhla leqembu leNastepies baqale badlala ngalosathu leqembu leCreek United babashaya nga 2-1 bangahamba selo bakhona la ekhaya badlala futhi namuhla badlala i-draw ya 1-1 ngisho ukuthi nje mabatela eMpumalanga bathole 4 point manje bathole iphuzu linye emkhathini maphuzu la sithupha kepha nje ngisho ukuthi abahamba kanalo abakadala mahala because khona bahambe nawe esandleni eneliphuzu linye sebesikhumsana ke nemceceshi weqembu la ekhaya leNastepies sikhulumisane futhi na-captain sikhulumisane futhi nemphathi weqembu leLerumo Lions simuve ukuthi nje ubone njani imidlalo nokuthi nje i-experience yakhe lokuthi ebela ithini kuye asesive ke ukuthi badokhuluma bathini sebe sibalanza bobabili sikhulumene futhi sebahlatile ababili esive nawo sibayibone njani umdlalo emkhathini wamaqembu lamabili. Yeah, sibonile ke ukuthi iqembu leNastepies samukethe badlale away bawina nga 6-1 namhla badlala ekhaya bohluleke ukuthi basasele amagoli bawashaya ekhambeni bawashayana namuhla umsobo wami kuphi lazamba wona kahle namuhla especially besenzela ukuthi bato improve after bashaye 6 goals ekhambeni.
Ngibonga Ace kuningi manje bekufuna nje bakwenda kokuqala nje i-line up yabo mangithi ngiyibuka ke benama changes le bengicabanga ukuthi bayabuya with the line up lebaqale ngayo uma ngabe baqala nebafana la badlale khona bawina khona nga6 but ke ebebadlala ekhaya they are allowed to make changes Ace kuze babone ukuthi labanye maybe labanye babuyela knock elifanele leto but ke angicabanga ukuthi bekufuna balethe lama results bawalethe manje but mangicabanga futhi nekubuka igame ekuwayithiwe badlala nayo Lerumo ehleli position 11 bebabuka yona nje ukuthi i-team lele phansi maybe kaba ngumthwalula bakhona ukuthi badlale nayo baphindze ba-collect ama-point and especially kusuke kwangena engqondweni tabo kakhulu first 3 minutes bathola igoli mistake ya goalkeeper abakabukubona ukuthi mistake ya goalkeeper leli bende bathola igoli but babuke ukuthi i-weakness ye-team yonke lokwento babese bayadropa a bit i-team yakhona ukuthi ibuye idlale ibamatche ikhona maybe kuthola ama-space ikhona kubabhora i-attack nawo futhi bangakhona ukuphakama ngale ndlela beba-expectations batawuphakama ngayo.
And then Msabuka since coach afikile uphi mhlambe emohluko obunako ecenjeni leNastepies?
Mkhulu Ace, uma uthi yabuka coach Masotho I believes ku experience. Ubuyile uyamdlalisa kusikhethele Mabuza libe simbona aqala ngaphandle. Se experienced player ubuya ku Royal AM udlale ku PSL, still young, still have age in his legs. Bekufuna aqalele amagame amaningi futhi the leadership yakhe lekhona emuva ebeyidingeka. Ukubonile lokho Joel Masotho uyakusebenzisa ke lokho. Uyaqala futhi la ngandumiso Mabhena libe simbona most of the time asebenzisa nje ke super sub. Uma uthi yabuka ke esiswini unamkhabele captain ku anchor yena but kubuyisa kwakhe yanga ayodlala naye eceleni naye ngilokunye lokubenta abakhona ukubona ama movement ngoba most of the time awuthi yabuka ke Mkhabela he believes maybe kumarka nekuthatha ibhola efaka ku space but mawuthi yabuka yanga ngilomnye uthatha ibhola uyarotate kusekeli uyabuka emuva ubuka emasayidini then uyakhona ukuspace futhi mangabe ku position so ngilokunye lengisiyabuka ke wente ama changes akhona mawuthi yabuka solo afikile uyakora kakhulu futhi isicelo lokho kwenta ukuthi uyi point of reference with lot of midfielders la khona esiswini with the ball players la khona kusasa ibhola ibeke phambili.
Yeah, sembeke kusisebona improvement ka embili sibona kusinyaya basenzile irrigation ngebe khona ngibonga kakhulu sikhatha.
Ngibonga kakhulu sibona na Mr Morgan Mamila ukhona lana ngagcina bamtshela ukuthi akaye kusebenzele ekhaya asathi solo ekhaya.
Ngiyacabanga usabuka eqenjini leBaroka usabeka phela amanosi yabo ngicabanga bathi bebadlala amaduzane nena Stepis.
Yeah usibeka la ngoba ufuna kubona ile business yakaza ayibone but siyadi uma uthi yabuka coach Tshepo Maphari kubafana beLerumo Lions bahle position 12 with 23 games 6 ma win ngilokunye ke lokho lokwenta sicabanga ukuthi ngilomnye maybe la ngahle ajoin technical team but asathi ace ngosikhathi.
Ngibonga kakhulu. Yeah bekhuma naye ke nguye sports guru David Samkethe bese sibuke ke ukuthi ubone njani umdlalo nje ke emhlathe yes bonile ke ukuthi ubonile iqembu la ekhaya kuma improvement la khona uyasho ukuthi nemceceshi Joel Masotho kunikela kulesakwe eqenjini kuya embili manje bahlulekile ekusasa amaphuzu amathathu sembeke ukuthi batofunda namuhla ebalungise nemaphutha abayembili besikhulumisana ke nephasi weqembu la ngale leLerumo Lions simuve ukuthi uthini ngokuta kwakhe la eMpumalanga alesele iqembu lokuba ngimake nje lo uphinze abemncane aphase iqembu. Yeah, sibonge ke imidlalo sophelile la ekhaya ku Mississippi Foundation Championship iqembu la ekhaya ina Stepis badlala idraw ya 1-1 neqembu leLerumo Lions ku Mississippi Foundation Championship nginemphasi ke ebeqembu leLerumo Lions esesebumuva uthini experience yakhe kusabe khona la ekhaya eMpumalanga bekasola khona badlalile ngalosathu ebadliwa nga2-1 badliwa iqembu leKruger namuhla badlala idraw ya 1-1. Thanks so much Chill Lady for your time. What's your experience here in Mpumalanga? You were here from Wednesday.
Yes.
You played and lost 2-1 but you were dominating the game also today. You equalize, you show that you acclimatize here in Mpumalanga, but you overall, after your team played 2 games here in Mpumalanga, also being here for the whole week.
Being here the whole week, I think maybe the issue was the team getting to climatize. You know, they ended up doing so. As you could see, the game today was much better than the game against Kruger. In terms of the environment itself, it's amazing. The people here are very friendly, to be quite honest. Very nice people to engage with. I mean, I was sitting amongst the B players, you know, the B's players, and no issues at all, you know, just to be like that, sportsmanship, everybody here enjoying themselves. I think that's a big part of this area, actually. And that's why I love coming here, because I was looking forward to it as I've been here before. The B's against Baroka, and I was here to watch the game, and I enjoyed the vibe. So Mpumalanga has a great vibe, to be quite honest.
And also, Cheledi, your team showed that they are good, they are playing well. Also, the position on the log, they showed that they are challenging for next year. They are preparing, as coach said, that they are preparing for next season. But your overall performances of the team so far this season?
To be quite honest, the last couple of games, I'm not very excited. I'm not very keen. We are conceding in almost every game, and that's a big issue for me. I think at some point the clean sheets need to show for you to prove that there is a team. We've got a good team. They play well. I think sometimes it's just luck, eh?
Yeah.
It's just luck, but the team is really good. They're solid. It's just the conceding and maybe just luck.
And also, I've heard that it's not easy for a lady to be part of sports. So far, your experiences, especially you're the one who's in charge of the team, your experiences, because most cases there are men who are leading teams.
It's not easy. That's all I can say. It's not easy. The challenges come from everywhere, to be honest. But there are some good people in this fraternity. There are people that you can give a call to when you're stuck and you just need some advice, you know, just to show you the way, to advise even on key people to have in your team. So there are good people here within this fraternity, but there's also a challenge of this dominance of males over a woman. I mean, there's only one of me, but there's so many uncomfortable men around me. That's shocking.
Was here and she's gone now. Mam Kize, you follow in her footsteps.
I follow in Mam Mato's footsteps. So I look at Mam Mato and she's very strong. She keeps on a lane but very firm. And I'm that type of a person. She's not much out there, you know. You see her around the team encouraging the boys, but that's as far as it goes. In terms of the administration part, she's done a wonderful job, and even the niece that's in charge of the team is doing an amazing job. So those are the women I'm actually looking up to, you know. To understand the game, you look at the people that have been the longest in the game. How have they been surviving? How have they been doing? You know, what do I need to do? What do I need to adjust on my side? So Mam Mato is quite a key role player in terms of the women that I look up to in football. You know, back then, Bomamria Ledwaba, you know, Natasha as well. So those are the women that we grew up looking at. And currently where I am, as in currently owning a team, I still look at Mam Mato and I'm like, shoo. It's been a lot. I can imagine what you went through. Longevity says a lot, man. It says a lot. So that's what I'm saying. You look at substance and sustainability as well, in terms of who your role model is.
Yeah, thanks so much. There are lots of young people and also young women who are looking at you, especially what you're doing. Keep it well. We hope that you can go far. Maybe next season, challenge for the league. Thanks so much for your time. Keep what you are doing.
Thank you so much. I appreciate it.
Thanks so much.
Thank you.
Yeah, mphasi-ke welicembu leRoma Lions besikhuluma naye simuva kunje itsheni yakhe kuba lelicembu especially bebalamba uMpumalanga liviki lonke njengoba badlala imidlalo emibili badlalile ngalosathu neCruger United badlalile futhi namuhla badlala idraw ya-1-1 badliwe ngalosathu badliwa 2-1 uyakhombisa ke ukuthi kunyeni la kufunzako kuyabala nje boNatasha Tickles bo Manto Madlalo lophethela icembu leGolden Arrows bomake laba kwase ku football nayo uyalandzela futhi etinye center yakhe kusho khona ukuthi kunini sikulinzele kuye nale passion uyasho ukuthi ujabulile ukuthi abe khona la eMpumalanga njengoba sembonile ukuthi beyasola khona la uyasho ukuthi bahleli futhi balandzeli belicembu le Bees sobe sikhulumisana naye futhi ngokuhamba kwesikhathi masinesikhathi kahle sikhulume 1-on-1 kepha namuhla besibuka ukuthi ubone njani icembu lakhe uyasho ukuthi akakho happy indlela abaconsider ngayo amagoli nje baconsider 2 ngalosathu namuhla futhi asisathi sibike la besikanyamazana stadium sibuka sibe sikhulumisana ke nemceceshi belicembu leNaste Bees necaptain sesikhulumisile nabelicembu lelo Rumoya sesiva ukuthi bathini baphathi belicembu la ekhaya iNaste Bees. Yeah, ngemceceshi ke welicembu la ekhaya iNaste Bees basiyeluma inyosi sibonile ke badlalile ekhambeni ngalosibili babona ngase namuhla bebadlala ekhaya besilenzele ke ukuthi lemvule emagoli sitayibona futhi namuhla bacale kahle within 3 minutes besakorile phanje egcineni badlale idraw ya-1-1. Coach, during the week you scored 6 goals for the first time in the history of the team away, but today at home you drew 1-1. Your analysis for the whole game, especially after you scoring many goals away but only 1 goal at home?
That's football for you. If you score 4, it doesn't mean that you will score 4 again in the next match. Everyone is planning. There are lots of factors also that contribute in terms of like the traveling. The opponents played here on Wednesday. They stayed here. They didn't travel since they came on Tuesday. And we traveled to go to Venda. It took the whole day. Coming back again the whole night. So obviously we wanted to win the match first half, knowing that second half we just have to manage because we knew we couldn't match them for pace and for tempo. Second half fatigue it's normal, it was gonna creep in, so it's just unfortunate that we couldn't score the killer goal, and credit must go to the opposition. They fought, they never gave up, even though I think towards the end we could have wrapped it up with the 4 break attacks that we got. You know, the right decision making lagged and it denied us the goals. But you know, I'm happy with these boys, especially after the red card. We showed that we really wanted to win the match, and to win the match, it's the attitude. Is the heart, is the tactical organization, everything. I think they are doing all that we're asking from them, and credit to them.
Also, after you won 6-1, during the week. Strelo is the number one leading goal scorer in the Msipe Foundation. He didn't score a goal. The fans were crying to see him score today. Eventually, he scored. Your analysis or your impression with him, his consistency, especially after he didn't score, when he scored more goals, but today is the one who scored.
When we won 6, he contributed a lot to those goals, and he's someone who's also selfless. We're gonna try by all means to assist him to stay there, to score more goals, but at the same time the team comes first, because it's pointless for us to have a top goal scorer while the team is relegated.
Yeah.
So if we can achieve both, it will be good. But it's a good boy. He understands that we are there for him, everyone, and it's, you know, the way he works so hard. Opposition now, they are always planning, you know, around him. But I can tell he's still gonna score goals.
Since coach, you came here in Mpumalanga to join this team, what you have learned so far in this game that you have played with your players, especially I can see now you're doing rotation. It means you're giving them all a chance to play and impress you.
All I can say is that we've got a good bunch of players, a bunch of very, very good players, you know. The boys have got the talent. They work so hard. I'm more impressed with their attitude, you know, because sometimes when you've got a big number of players, there are lots of squabbles and things not going right. But truly speaking, the boys have been so welcoming, and I think there's a bright future here.
And then, coach, after you've dropped points today, going forward, what can you expect from you? Especially the team is not happy after they won away and draw at home.
We are happy. We are happy with a draw, to be honest. I don't know, maybe other people are not happy, but
maybe the fans.
No,
but
you cannot. You know, supporters always win. So even though it's not possible, but they always win. If we talk about supporters now, each supporter of each club, whether you are number one or number last, they wanted to finish with 90 points in the league. But I'm happy they even sang with the guys, they celebrated with the guys. You know, you can't win all the games.
Coach, once again, thanks for your time and hard luck for today after your drop points, and good luck for the upcoming games.
No, thanks so much. We look forward to trying and see who's ready, and then we go again to Venda to fight.
Thanks so much, coach.
Thank you.
Yeah, besikhuluma nemqeqeshi ke Joel Masutha, umqeqeshi weqembu lasekhaya SABC. Bawinile during the week ngalosibili eLimpopo nga-6-1 ekhaya, namuhla badlala idraw ya 1-1. Kepha yena usu-happy ngale ma-results, especially uyabala ukuthi nje batravele i-long distance nebadlali bagciniwe. Beyafisile ukuthi awine igame ku-first half, kepha nje babuyile beliqembu le-Romo Lions bayi-equalizer ku-second half badlala idraw ya 1-1. Kepha nje nebalandzeli bajabulile because i-team ithole 4 points kule viki after bathole 3 points during the week. Baphinza futhi namuhla bathola liphuzo. Ke ekusiya embili to improve kangakanani, kepha nje since afikile ngimbutile uyasho ukuthi nje uhappy ngalendlela squad singakhona nendlela abadlali bakhona ba-rotate abaneta futhi bonke lithuba. Sembe ke ekusinabo bayafuza lo nyende kuye and experience yakhe nje basimati uyile ku-PSL wakhosha amaqembu amanyenti Fakasi bo-Black Leopards. Besilana ke kanye eMazizi Stadium esibuka umdlalo woMsipe Foundation Championship. Sophela winga draw ya 1-1, 1 qembu lasekhaya iNastepies, 1 Romo Lions kuyo iMsipe Foundation Championship. Ace coach. Yeah, sinibalandzeli ke beqembu leNastepies basiyaluma ke inyosi. Sibonile ke ngalosibili bawine nga-6-1 ekhambeni. Namuhla badlala idraw ekhaya ya 1-1 eqembu leRomo Lions. Sesive ke balandzeli ukuthi bathini ngelicembu. Angibonge ukuthi ilicembu lenda kahle kakhulu 2 games in a row bathola 4 points. Kepha nje lokubhlungu ukuthi ekhaya badlala idraw bawine nga-6 ekhambeni. Njengabalandzeli nibone njani licembu leNastepies namuhla lomdlalo wabo sekhaya badlala i-control ya 1-1?
Ngiyabonga lithuba bhuti wami. Bengekubelula man, ile Rumo iluzile emkhathini weliviki la ekhaya against iKruger. So nabo ngicabanga ukuthi namhla bebalungisile iDinga Town, but bafana bethu badlalile good. Unfortunately asikakhoni kuwina igame namhla, but angeke sibashaye. Badlalile and lo lebangwene namhla ipoint silitholile, sishaye amagoli ekhambeni last week, sashaya igoli namhla. Libe singakulinzeli ukuthi siconcede but bafana bethu badlalile so angithi bacinzetele kakhulu futhi
Sikufikile coach mhlambe mehluko lobonako mayicala le season bebana coach Humphrey Mlwane and then bebana coach Evelile and then yalo sabona basebana coach Joel Masutha since afikile mhlambe mehluko lobonako compared to labaqeqeshi bakhona before fika yena
ku compare bo coach but wami kuyi problem because kunebadlali labangafani coach na coach neskim sakhe and coach na coach nebadlali lekabona ukuthi okay namhla igame lisofuna ngeapproach so but angengisole bo coach lesike besaba nabo previously basebenzile kakhulu but unfortunately i-team bengabe ndima results and then siyabonga for i-management ukuthi ikhonile ukuthi sithole le coach lomusha wafika coach wathola ama results but ufike ngesikhathi mhlambe la seku rough corner but uyazama and bafana ba responda kuma tactics akhe la ababekela khona kakhulu so angeke ngicomparable coach but the arrival of coach uMasutha kusinethe kakhulu but wami and we looking forward ukuthi sichubeke ngani ngeinstruction yakhe
yes amuva ke emlandzelo leqembu lena sebhisi uyasho ukuthi nje ngeke compare baqeqeshi sembona uyabaleka ke ngifuna kumbuta ngala nabo bosesi nabo balandzeli leqembu lena sebhisi iyaluma inyosi nithini ngeqembu salibonana namuhla lidlale kahle kakhulu 2 games bashaye 7 goals bashaye 6 ngalosibili bashaye ukhulile futhi namuhla sicelo ukunumber 1 nithini nje ngeqembu nibalandzeli balandzeli basabakhuluma nangumlandzeli lomkhulu ke la liqembu lidlale 2 games evikini bawinile 6 emkhathini weliviki namuhla ekhaya sizele amagoli amanye agedeka hawu badlala idraw
I know, you know, masifika lesikhathi lesi ukuthi league seyophela amagame tough but we take a point and then we're going to go back so we regroup team is 17 compare where we come from we work
and then sibonile emkhathini weliviki kasini wina nga6 ekhambeni eLimpopo lo 6-1 akakuranga sicelo balandzile zange bajabule ukuthi sicelo akakuranga namuhla ukorile ndlala idraw
ngokuthi ukorebane eteamini zasimetha ngithi basebenza as a team uma ukore lona and then we take it from there
and then i-top goal scorer ke singeke usakore namhla ukorile
yes that's true namhla ukorile but if kore noma bani it's a teamwork yabona into lesithatha ukuthi it's a teamwork doesn't matter ukuthi ukorebane but we happy if akorile yena but it's a teamwork
and then lokho sikubonako before coach afika bengacaci kahle benisola benisaba kusingahle relegate kepha kwanyalo ibonakala usivele iqembu next season ngisho nje balikhona usho kuthini kube kubona coach akhona leqembu dlala kahle kakhulu sisafikile
no siyo regroup angithi siyafika and then into lemnanzi i1 ukuthi we take one game at a time
yeah sibonga kakhulu isikhathi sakho
thank you sir
yeah mlandzeli ke iqembu leNasty Bees yeluma inyosi uyasho ke kusiyero group uyasho ukuthi they take one game at a time asembe ke ukuthi balandzeli bakujabulele babonile iperformance lenhle namuhla ushido na coach kasinkhuma naye ukuthi still ujabulile ba happy endlela abadlala ngakhona uyabala ukuthi nje lokubaphambazamisa kakhulu ukuthi beba travel kahle iqembu lerulumo bebasola balaphi because badlalile during the week iqembu leKruger bahamba kanzawo sola bala bona ba fatigue batsiniwe ngicabanga naloko kuphazamisile namuhla class ne planning konke lokho kepha nje sabona ukuthi balandzeli bayijabulele iqembu la improve kakhulu asembeke ukuthi batokhula ke because season yabo iqala le indlela badlala ngakhona asembeke ukuthi balandzeli batophinza bete ngentinkani ba support iqembu ace the coach isikanyamaza stadium umdlalo bokhona kuSiphe Foundation Championship asembeke ukuthi balandzeli bajabulele sisathe sibeke la ekudote emidlalo likazi kanyamaza stadium yes sinemlandzeli ke lomunye weqembu lenyosi Nasty Bees basiyaluma inyosi balandzeli ke bakhombisa ulithanza iqembu labanyeni batsuka enkomazi all the way betela abantu support iqembu kepha nje bajabulele endleleni ngakhona 2 games bathole emagoli lang7 because bawina nga6-1 emkhathini weliviki namuhla badlala i-draw 1-1 sabona iqembu le-improve assist coach afikile kepha namuhla besenzele i-win after bawina nga6 ekhambeni mhlambe wena njengemlandzeli kuphi lokubonile namuhla iqenjini especially besenzele ukuthi batowina ngemagoli amaningi badlala i-draw 1-1
ngicela ukuthatha leli thuba ngibonge namuhla ngasho ukuthi igame bayimanage kahle from first half but I strongly believe ukuthi we were supposed to bury the match in the first half but truth of the matter is ukuthi we won't be hard on the coach, won't put pressure kuye because last match if I'm not mistaken he won our first win away because beyiqale the busy winner away ever since ifike kule season so I'm backing the management ukuthi babe patient with the coach because he shows glimpses of success lokusho ukuthi ithembu lihamba ngedirection le right even though le match base expect ukuthi vele soyiwina, but then we will take the point. Not all is lost. The Bees now like yeah performa ngendlela lekhona, and ngithanda kubonga Serero ukuthi uyele wakora ligoli namuhla kuze ukuthi kube ne top goal scorer eMpumalanga. So going forward I believe ukuthi the Bees kahle as long as they survive relegation, because I don't think ukuthi banayo ipressure ngoba vele I first season yabo lena ku NFDN kune experience vele wonke lama team they are here to compete. So I think we'll take the one game at a time. Baby steps are also steps, but then I have to say ukuthi namuhla maybe game yele ababalekela ngema-sub coach bekatshela ukuthi game vele sekawinile second half, but ngoba vele was supposed to win the game. Look, thatha kwaMkhabela ukhipha Mkhabela na Mkhabela Mabhena na Serero kuyele kwakukhombisa i-weakness kithi, but going forward I hope he's going to fix lama mistakes, then the Bees then itochubeka i-compete next season. I strongly believe ukuthi hopefully then we will have a successful season.
And then lokukhona futhi nje ubala Sicelo Madela na captain Innocent Mkhabela umsabuka going forward for next season i-depth, especially maqembu lamanye samathi Sicelo sakhona kumarka bamvale umsabuka ama-pace ball kubana 2 or 3 ma defenders. Ngicabanga naloko kuyaphazamisa iqembu because baplayer abadlala around yena, futhi also namabhena udropper back akadlali njengakuqala sadlala ku-Pirates because okhulile inyanga so dropper back ede ngokuto assist kipha nje focus kakhulu ikusicelo mhlambe lokufuna bakulungise because every team nyalo sebaplana around Sicelo mabadlala leqembu leNaste Bees.
I think kuba khona kwaSicelo ma opponent wona kuba khona kwakhe noma ibhola angayibambanga baba ne pressure kuye, so lokuba khona kwakhe kungayenda ukuthi i-opposition team lena ibe afraid of yena, meaning like if usinaye then we have one player ahead. So meaning ukuthi bona coach into lekumela yende ukuthi akhona ukudlala ngalawanye ama player ukuthi noma bamakhile lawanye ama player akhona ukudlala the likes of abo Buthelezi Qaba of which vele ungena as a sub, then but I can say ukuthi naye Sicelo udzinga i-supply nokuthi adonse ngoba the more bamakha yena kakhulu kuba ne-space lesivulekako, meaning lawanye ama-player nawo athola i-opportunity ukuthi akhona ukudlala. Okay, I can see the likes of Mabhena I have to give credit where it's due because naye uyele wa-improve kakhulu since the arrival of Joel Masuta is a top coach, more experienced coach. We saw ku-Black Leopards ukuthi 2018 uyele wayi-promoter yaya ku-PSL ngicoach lo holder vele i-experience, and ngisasho ukuthi like if bayele bamqasha vele first season nyalo maybe kube we are in a more comfortable position. So I have to say ukuthi mina anginawo ama-complaint amangaka because ngiyabona i-team nyalo seyakhona ukuthi iende 5 successive passes sebayakhona kudlala le bholo. As time goes by, I believe ukuthi the Bees to compete. So Sicelo yena he's having a great season under Joel Masuta because ngelo kwaba nema changes la ku technical team whereby Sicelo besingasambone egamini but kunele kufika uJoel Masuta sesiyabona ukuthi uyakhona kudlala ucomfortable, even naye uNdumiso Mabhena so uyakhona lokuthi abonakale. I have to give credit also to uButhelezi because naye uyakhona kudlala, and it's a pity ukuthi bayele bamkhipha early, but it was a game plan. So going forward I believe the Bees is going to produce results.
Angibonga kakhulu isikhathi sakho.
Thank you for it.
Yeah, mlandzeli ke belicembu leNaste Bees yeluma inyosi ushido ke ukuthi uyabona improvement ukuthi inyendi since coach afikile uyabona indlela Sicelo adlala ngakhona Buthelezi sibonile futhi balandzeli abanyendi so bachubeka bakhuluma ngaye indlela adlala ngakhona uimprovile namuhla efuna abokorile kepha nje ohlule usebenzisa amathuba sambona futhi enamabhena naye lomunye futhi lewenda kahle kakhulu experience yakhe yasita ecenjini ukuthi iqembu dlala indlela adlala ngakhona nangu mlandzeli sobuyile bekasaba so ikhiphile inyoni so right inyalo seliphelile ligwababa uthini ke ngelicembu badlala idraw namuhla i-1-1.
Mina ngithanda ukubonga lelithuba lokwendekile namhlanje yafana ukuthi we are not prepared because the game we thought we need again, but ngendlela kwendeke ngayo isikhathi esisitholile sokuthi siscore sahluleka last motion ekhona, but so far i-team ipusha well because than before besilwele relegation nyalo sikakhombisa ukuthi i-team isiqhamukela na something kuna something esingathi singayikhomba ngayo ngoba nyalo sikhathi sani sekuphela isizini because if singakhoni ku-oppose ama-point when time goes on sitoba ku-relegation and so far sitoba siluzele sinako ngalokhu ngekho because nyalo isikhathi sethu kufuna siphushe sithole more wins, even
we don't need a lose now.
And then lesinye lesikubonayo ukuthi balandzeli azange bagive up iqembu labelingene kahle khona uhamba coach banjinja futhi solo nikhona nanyalo kusho kuthini lokho ukuthi iqembu line support lenyendi from le komazi basuke ekhashane bedala banike amandla banike moral boost nanyalo selibona lekhombisa even nanyalo after game bebacula nebalandzeli
Lokho sekubona because the team ngathi ide busy ngathi the players need effort from the fans because nyalo skats esiningi badlali be busy khumbula from first leg sidlale ne first leg ne Baroka this team it is very good because iBaroka beyihlula ngokudlala ibhola sahamba sascored goal number 1 sabe sashaya iBaroka yashaya number 2 sabe sashaya number 1 goal number 2 sesabona ukuthi i-team solo siyaphusha iBaroka lelalanga bekufuna ngabe ezidlile mari team yakhombisa ukuthi with the fans the pressuring the other team because i-team wina ngema-fan and lokho kuyaba disadvantage because naba away abayitholi win because naba like abanemafan and kufuna i-team ibe ne-effort ukuthi iwina without mafan.
Angibonga kakhulu ke emlandzeli weqembu leNasty Bees uyasho ke ukuthi nje balandzeli ebafakile isandla ukuthi iqembu lene kahle kakhulu nje besibona nanyalo bende kahle badlala idraw 1-1 asibonge ke ukuthi isupport beyikhona nebalandzeli sababona bakhona la bebato support iqembu asithathe ke sibeke la kanye eMazi Stadium este coach besebuka umdlalo bekhona uMsiphe Foundation championship emkhathini weqembu leNasty Bees ke neqembu leLobola yonke uphele ngedraw ya 1-1 este coach podcast show ke sibonile iqembu la ekhaya iNasty Bees bathi yaluma inyosi ilumile ke namuhla nje ilume ngeligoldi badlala idraw ya 1-1 nje lokumnanzi usibalandzeli bajabulile indlela iqembu lidlala ngakhona evikini ke bana 4.7 goals because bawina nga 6-1 nemlandzeli ke number 1 fan yeqembu leNasty Bees ngisambona ke ngimamkhize uyasho ke naye ukuthi uyalithanda iqembu sesimuva ukuthi ubone njani umdlalo sibonike iqembu namuhla elidlala ekhaya badlala idraw ya 1-1 babuye edlala ekhambeni bawina nga 6 kepha nje sabona ukuthi since coach afikile ine improvement nje emlandzeli omkhulu uthini ngibadlali leqembu lonke
mpathi badlali bethu namhla badlalile mara ngeke ngisho ukuthi imistake ibe khona kancane lapha nabanjisha abadlali bekumele ngabe kwendeke into dayindeka badlali bethu ne badlala kahle sibasenza kakhulu sonke isikhathi siyabamela noma ngabe basuwisa siphinde senenjani sivuke nabo ngoba nathi senenjani sibalandzeli bani be-the bees siyaphila empilweni si-right kakhulu mphathi ngikahlala ngalimali ngoba konke kubani kukuye ngikahlala ngalimali mphathi yonke into ini kumele ibe level and la siyakhona asithingi kwena njani asingi relocate kumele senjani qhubekise phambili next game next season simele senjani kumele sidlale malungu sidlale kakhulu senjani sokhona sikhuphuke njengalabanye bangani sidlale kulenye ini 11 malungu.
But so far since iqembu litene coach lomusha isibona li-improvile kakhulu mhlambe lokubonako wena ufuna bakulungise especially badlali bakhombisa ukuthi coach bamjabulela indlela abakhosha ngakhona
malume kumele nakathi coach asuya substitute ngendlela right hayi ukuthi substitute like khona la kuyena njani la kubona ngathi akakuvisiseni ayi1 kepha unebasekele emasayidini kumele yena njani abonisane nabo kude the business njani qhubeke iye kuphi iye phambili.
And then ngiyabona akusengikuphele bakhalile ngokukhishwa kwa Sicelo na captain Innocent Mkhabela na Ndumisa Mabhena wena ubonela substitution yini le coach ilethile iqembu lelo room usibabuye egamini ubone njani after akhipha labadlali bobathathu
kulima lokamdlali kube inkinga kithi ngoba ulimele hayi ukuthi simkhiphe ngoba besifuna kanjani besifuna kumkhipha kulimala vele akumele kusenze njani aze aphuke kude wena njani sizokhona kudlala kahle kumele yena njani nakalimele ulimele umdlali ulimele nakalimele ulimele la labanye kumele wena njani kumele bakhona kwena njani kumele baspeak up nakhaya ngithi mina aka improve kulolo kayena njani la kayenda kona angasileki sinenkinga yokuthi badlali bethu
bene njani sisina si-leader bebese bene njani bayasileka barelaxe kumele bene njani babe ne-more effort baqhubeke bene njani baye phambili bona bayarelaxa.
Asibonge kakhulu Mamkhize.
Ngibonga kakhulu baba.
Asibonge-ke mlandzeli lohleli lapha nje ku-number 1 balandzeli belicembu iLena's the Peace uyasho ukuthi nje badlali bese basileka bane-electoral goal bese behla baletha iLurumo Lions singene egemini kepha nje uyasho ukuthi nje licembu uyalibona la improve into yenda kahle uma bachubeka asembeke ukuthi balandzeli bathi bachubeka bayasupport nje basibona nanyalo so bachubeka ba give up basupport licembu nje badlala ngakhona.